I finally got my hostas potted. They looking good. Guacamole. Got a little break. A little hill. A little break in that leaf. I think they look nice. I'm still working on these posts. Didn't get to them today. Had other stuff. I had to cut this grass here. So I did this side. Still got to do some edging around this landscape and down over there. But my son, I was going to trash this. He wants it. So come and get it. Just an artificial plant that I've had for a while. And that's my other hosta. Hosta? Am I saying it right? Hosta. Forgot what's the name of this one. This one is Hosta France. What's the name? Is that the name of it? I guess it's Hosta Francie. Francie? Did y'all see that? That's the name of this one. So I actually cleaned out this pot because it had some dry, boy, them jumping spiders or something else. Look at that little sucker. I guess because I dug up this area and put some different border down here. I had a brown. If you go back and look at one of the old videos, I still got to cut it. And it's cement down here, y'all. So I was having a little bit of a problem getting those stakes down in there. So I got tired earlier and stopped on this. I just need to cut it at the edge and try to get some more of those stakes down through there. And this is my sunflower. Love blooms here. Another flower. My daughter got me these 2 flowers along with this rug here for Mother's Day with some other stuff, but I like these in my little area here. I gotta put some more mulch down over in this area or spread it out more. Because like I said, I changed out this edging to a black. I had brown. I like this better. It's the same as what's over here. I am going to move this rose bush. It ain't blooming no more. I don't know what's up. I gotta read up on my rose bushes because I don't like the way this is looking. Look like some popcorn. Right. And these bees are running amok. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here real quick and bring you guys or catch you guys up on what I was doing or what I done today. I watered over here because these were starting to droop. That's my little rock that I put family on. So we're going to keep an eye on things and see. These kind of drooped also, but hopefully they'll get some life back and perk back up. I don't know. We'll see. Let me take you over here and show you this last one. I cut them down just a little bit because they were hanging over the can. But this bed here, or this pot here, pot arrangement, seems to be doing okay. I like the red and white. I got those because of Memorial Day and soon to be Independence Day, so I thought those were cute. The red with the white. I also have some over there in my other landscape area. So anyway, putting this down on the concrete I'm aware. You see those over there? Let me zoom in. Maybe you can see them when I zoom in a bit. See, I put some over here also. Still got to get this pathway done. But y'all know the saying, what she say? Rome wasn't built in a day. My son helped me get that bag of rocks dumped when he came over earlier to hang out a little bit. So remember, I had that bag that was sitting over there under that tree, or under that tree area. Finally had him help me dump him because it was heavy and I was trying to scoop them out, and that was time consuming. But a girl's gonna do what a girl's gotta do, right? So don't that look so pretty? They're holding up pretty good. These have been in here, I would say probably, a little over a month? I'm gonna say a little over a month. I can go back and look at the timestamp on another video, but yeah. So that is all for today, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. I'll be back at it tomorrow when I get off work. I think I have 6, if not 7. Let me flip the camera on me. Okay. Don't mind how sweaty and dusty I look, but I'm an LMT licensed massage therapist. And tomorrow, I was looking up because I saw some kind of bird flying overhead. But tomorrow I have 6, if not 7 clients. I try to do, my ideal day is 7 to 8 a day, but we'll see. I changed my schedule up a little bit. So tomorrow I will be at work a little later, not too much later. And then I'll come home and see if I feel like getting out here and doing something in the yard. So I'm going to flip this camera back. And we are going to say over. This is some stuff I got to put down. Over and out.